Hello. Now we are in the factory and you can see the production process of mold. So this is a piece of metal which becomes a mold, and this worker works here for 30 years. He is a great professional. It's always a hand, so he needs to put every detail very carefully. So later you can enjoy the flower itself in its natural beauty. Here the workers put the color on the PVC flower. So each worker has a 10 years experience because this is a very hard kind of job. So now I will try to do the right color on this leaf. Okay, looks like I got it. Now we are at the stage of assembling the final product. So the usual worker take a stem, then take a little of glue, put it on the stem very carefully, and take the petal to the stem. You see, the flower is ready, so you can use it. At this stage of process, the workers put the color onto the petal. So I will try to do the same. Looks like we are here. There are more than 15 types of different tulips, so our company can provide you with any color and any kind of these tulips. The quality of tulips from our company is very high, so you can see it at every leaf, at every petal, every flower. It is really perfect. The tulips from our company are made of PVC. This kind of material you can use for a very long time. and instead of tulips made of PU. This is not good material for decorators and florists. You can use it only at home or office. Real Touch colors appeared at the market at 2001, so they have a long history. Real Touch color are very durable and you can use it for a very long time. There are more than 20 different colors for calla lilies.